सबके जोहार नमस्कार मैडम এটা উপহার আমার এই বাগান না যায় নেক্সট টাইম ইমান বেয়া রাস্তা আকৌ স্কুল বিলাক থাকোতে এটা এমই স্কুল আছিল আকৌ এটো ইফালে গৈ এটো কি নাম মালাসি এমই স্কুল এটা আছিল এতিয়া মই ঠিক কৰিছিলো যে ইয়াত স্কুল বনাব লাগিব ৰাস্তা বনাব লাগিব আৰু যত যেনেকে পাৰে এইবিলাক টি গাৰ্ডেন হাই স্কুল এটা হায়ার সেকেন্ডারি হব ক্লাস 12 লগে আমার লড়া ছোৱালী আৰু কলেজত যাব নালাগে ইয়াতে পঢ়িব তাৰ পিছতে কস্তুৰবা গান্ধী বালিকা বিদ্যালয় 400 সিট ক্যাপাসিটি স্কুল সবাই কিন্তু গর্ব নাই করবা कांग्रेस मान के आवई उन्हें बोलबे कि कुछ बीजेपी गवर्नमेंट काम नहीं करले कांग्रेस हाकल ए सुन लो बीजेपी के समय मॉडल हाई स्कूल पाई गए बीजेपी के समय नामघर पाई गए बीजेपी के समय रास्ता पाई गए चौथाल तहनी कांग्रेस की काम करला कांग्रेस समय तो काम ही नहीं होए कि नहीं होए এটা তো দিনেক লাগে कांग्रेस आले ठीक है तहनी मन गिना बाई गला कांग्रेस आले कि आबार এই আগৰ দিন ফিরাবে তো তহনি মান হুঁশিয়ার রাবা জিতি কথাবে নাই শুনবা হয় জিতা কাম তহনি মান দেখ রহি এইটাই বিশ্বাস করে যায় कांग्रेस তো বলবো কি এইটা করব कांग्रेस गवर्नमेंट নাই হবে বিজেপি গভর্নমেন্ট আবার 100% কিন্তু তহনিকে এখানে ভোটটা খারাপ হয়ে গেলে তো আপনি মানকে মনটা দুঃখ লাগবে নাকি এত কাম করলো এই কামে কিন্তু তহনি মানকে যদি ভোটটা নাই পাবে তাহলে মনটা দুখাইলা দুখাবো না দুখায় হ্যাঁ দুখাবে এটা আপনি মান তহনিকে মরম খাই রাই তহনি মানো এক সময় 5 বছরে একবারই মরম করে লাগে কোন সময় ইলেকশনের সময় এই বিজেপির পদম ফুলে ভোটটা দেখ লাগে আর 5 বছরটা আপনিকে কাম করবে আপনি মান আর তহনিকের ব্যবস্থাগুলো করবো ঠিক আছে বহুত ভালো লাগলে এই মিটিংটা হবে একদম ভাল লাগিছে মেসেন লো মিটিং দে একদম ওপেনিং সেরিমনি মেপিক লো এই থ্যাংক ইউ
got tea garden model high school Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose tribal residential school Kasturba Gandhi Balika Bidyaloy residential school 3 major academic institute in Dalamra we got. Then in the garden we got another this Jagannath Skill Development Center. Now from there people can have a wedding ceremony there, people can have a training for the skill development, people can have a meeting out there. So many facilities we could able to give in the Dalamra. So I am very happy that for the last 9.5 years I could able to develop my constituency, not only Dalamra.
I received a lot of developmental schemes. We have to complete unlike Dalamra Road and Dadora Hospital and Dadora Bridge.
Everything is undergoing construction. So sometimes what's happened because of the rain, they could not able to bring the materials which is required. Now it is a rainy season is over. The work will resume. Definitely those work will be completed. Yesterday PWD review I took. Tomorrow I am going to take Jal Jeevan Mission review. Day after tomorrow I will take both the Nilip and Bukazan block review. So I will see what are the work is pending, what are the work has not been completed. So I will give my more effort to complete those works. Now it is a dream of the people of Porpong Tarapong. The road has been sanctioned, construction is going on. The construction speed is little bit slow. Yesterday I have instructed this PWD engineer to put pressure on the contractor so that work can be fastened than previously they are working. So we need the construction to be completed as per due time. 2 years is sanctioned, so within 2 years they have to complete it. So can you imagine that Dorpong Tarapong will get a road? If I have not become MLA, not a single MLA from Bukazan before me they reach Dorpong Tarapong. But I took truck, 4-wheeler truck I took, and then 2017 I went Tarapong. So I am a person that I like the challenges. So I went there and then I promised them that I will construct this road within my tenure. But 5 years I could not be able to do that. Next tenure I make it success. So now many places the road construction has been done, education institute they got, other drinking water facilities also they are getting. So I am not that much happy with the JJM work, but I am having review tomorrow. So 50% JJM is functioning, 50% is not. So that non-functional JJM should be functional so that our poor people get pure drinking water, so that their health can be protected with this pure drinking water. So I am very happy. So wherever the work is not done, definitely step by step work will be done. So far from my assessment, I have done 40% development from my constituency. Next 5 years it will be 60%. So it was earlier, it was zero. Not a single MLA you can tell me a name. They have brought any development work for their own constituencies. So now I have changed the traditional practice of the Karbi Anglong MLA, that MLA cannot do work, MLA don't have power, MLA don't have money. It's not like that. So those MLAs were lazy. They could not able to judge their power, capacity. But because I came from the medical background, I came from the academic institute, people's need and people's problem. So that way I started working. Now Karbi Anglong having a new direction. Now the bad image of MLA is over. Now people started thinking that MLA can do everything. So we are doing everything. So we will work together with the council members who is like-minded. Many of them, they criticize me, but let them criticize. But I am working for the people. I am not working for me. I am not working for any leader who is after money. So it is my wisdom to work for the people who is suffering a lot. Now I believe through my work, many people will get the knowledge how work can be done. So if people are helping me throughout the time, I am very happy that all corner of the people, they love me, they respect me, they encourage me. Yeah. So because of their love and affection, I get a strength to work for them. So Bukazan, another 5 years, Bukazan will be a different constituency. They cannot imagine what Bukazan is developing. But after 10 years, you see what happened in Bukazan as compared to other constituencies of Assam. Not only Karbi Anglong, I am telling Assam. So after 10 years, Bukazan will be in such a position that everybody will be appreciating, and Bukazan will become a model constituency.
Thank you.
Thank you.